We launched Gower Gin in September 2017. We decided that we could create something really special with some of the flavours of Gower.
For us, it was really important as a Welsh company that we embrace the language. It's so important for the culture and heritage. But also I think it's helped us grow our community of gin lovers, really.
We decided to use the Helo Blod service because we really needed help in ensuring that our product names and the translations of the descriptions of our gins on the bottles were accurate, but not just accurate, they were using the right phrases and the right phraseology, and Helo Blod gave us that.
We launched a gin, a navy strength gin, and we wanted to play around the idea of something to do with Rhysili and the dragon, which is the worm's head. And thanks to Helo Blod, we came up with a great translation, nerth y ddraig, strength of the dragon, which I think is so much better than navy strength.
Since we've started using Welsh, we've actually seen much more engagement from some of the key Welsh communities, particularly on social media and online. People also email us in Welsh as well from time to time, so that two-way communication is working really well.
I really like the fact with Helo Blod that it was a very easy service to do. I mean, obviously as a business, what a fantastic thing that it's free as well. I feel I've got people who care about the translations and will work with us as a company to get it absolutely right.